everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Supisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today we are going to talk about something really interesting. If you are a dental practitioner, no matter you are an old dental practitioner or a new dental practitioner in India, this video is definitely for you. So it's my humble request, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. The second request is do watch this video till the end. Today we are going to talk about the dental clinic marketing tips. What are the marketing tips required to progress your dental clinic, whether it is a new dental clinic or whether it is the old dental clinic. So without wasting time, let's start with the tips. Tip number 1. Online presence. It is very important nowadays, everything is online, so definitely your clinic should have an online presence. Either it is registered with the online application so as the patient can book the appointment easily, or your clinic should have its own website which will tell what are the services, what are the costs, how to book an appointment, right? Everything will be there related to that in your website. So first step is the online presence, which is very important. Second step is the SEO, search engine optimization. As a name suggests, if let's say I search Aman Dental Clinic or a Kapoor Dental Clinic on Google, specifically let's say I live in Ghaziabad, so I'll search Aman Dental Clinic in Ghaziabad. So your search engine optimization, like your location and everything, should be at a top, that we can easily search out your dental clinic. So search engine optimization will help you to upgrade your clinic by providing the location to the patient whenever they're gonna search your name. So that is very important. A lot of strategies are there regarding that. So we will talk about that in detail somewhere somehow in the live webinar regarding the marketing tips, which will come after this video shortly, and you will notify for that on my Instagram story. So if you haven't joined me on my Instagram story, then what you are waiting for? Follow me on my Instagram story, which is shown on your screen, or follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to stay tuned for the live upcoming webinar regarding the marketing tips, that too in detail, and for which my whole team will gonna help you how to upgrade your dental clinic personally. Now back to the topic. The third strategy is Google My Business. That means whatever the patients you have done in a day or in a week, after the treatment is done and the patient is happy, you need to tell him or her to post a positive review on the Google. Google review plays a very important role, as they will uplift your search as well as your clinic and its identity, like on a Google. So Google My Business is the another very important part of the dental marketing. Followed by the fourth step is the social platform. It is very important to to available online nowadays, like on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, everywhere, and show your procedures, like how neatly you will perform your procedures. As you know, there are many doctors, even I also used to put some pictures of my cases. Similarly, many doctors make the videos, the transition regarding before, after, like as you can see in the picture also. So in the same manner, you can post that and encourage the students as well as the other patients to come to your page and like it, and then they can approach you easily if they have any problem related to dental issues. Now followed by that, marketing. Content marketing means, being a dental practitioner, you can give the dental tips which usually almost every dentist used to give the tips and tricks, or giving the education regarding the dental health care, that too while sitting in their clinic, while sitting on their chair, and so on. So you can make such a beautiful, informative vlogs, videos which will help you to grow by uploading it on your website or on your social platform like the Instagram or the Facebook. Now followed by the sixth step is the email marketing. Suppose let's say I visit to your clinic and I am the patient. I am happy with your procedure. Now after that I am done with, let's say, a minimal procedure like scaling, right? I am done with my teeth cleaning and everything. After that I went back to home. Now every month I got a reminder on that particular day, like on that particular date, like let's say I visit on 20th August, right? Now the every 20th date, one email is used to delivered on my email ID that is regarding the review letter, the recommendation, the greetings from your clinic, and so and so and so on, which will help me as a patient to remind about you, your clinic and everything. So that is the another way to stay in touch with the patient. Now followed by the local market collaboration. It is very important wherever you set up your dental clinic. It is very important for a short period of time also you can collaborate with the local people, like local other dentists which are available in your area, so that both can do the cross promotion of their clinic, their work, right? So this you can do as simple as, you see, the YouTubers used to promote the others YouTubers work, or they collaborate and make one video like that. So in that way you can work and do the marketing of your clinic also, followed by the others also. That is one-to-one give and take promotion. The eighth point of the marketing tip regarding the dental clinic is you can do the community involvement. That means you need to organize the free dental checkups at the school, at the community center. You need to organize the free awareness program, dental fairs, and lots of more by showing and involving your clinic involvement in that. And that will help more and more people to connect with your clinic as well as with you as a dental professional. Now followed by that, the next step is the patient reference. If you are very good at your work and patient got happy with your work, positive review and as well as the positive attitude of a patient will help you to refer you from one patient to another. So the patient reference is also very important, and you should appreciate that if your patient refer you to another patient, right? Is the online booking. It should be mobile friendly. It is easily to be done. There is no as such cumbersome procedure so that the patient may feel irritated, a bit a delayed process or a slow process, so that the patient is unable to book your appointment in an emergency case. So online booking should be the fastest mode to connect you with the patient, even if it is not an emergency, then also, and if there is an emergency, then also. Followed by that, the online advertisement is the next step of marketing. That promote your dental clinic with its picture or its video on the Facebook ad, Google ad, or by some YouTuber, or by some dental student, by some dental organization, because that will help you to promote your dental clinic more online. Followed by that, the next is the compliance. Compliance is very important. It plays a very important role so as to know what's going on in the market and how you can grow yourself. See where you and your clinic stand. So to understand pros and cons of everything, not only regarding others' clinic but to your clinic also, it is very important to do the compliance with other, but that should be authorized and that should be under the Dental Council of India. It should be ethical, it should be true, it should be fair. Followed by the follow-up of the patient is another very important gesture which, being a dental professional, we can have in our clinic, so as even if patient didn't remind us, we remind them very well. That is a very sweet gesture and give a positive impact towards the mind of the patient. So that is another important impact and a marketing strategy. Moreover, you can give the greetings on the certain festivals like Diwali or Happy New Year vouchers or something like that, so as to greet your patients very well. The patient testimonial. It is very important that the patient will build a positive trust as well as have a positive impact, so as he or she can put a review on your website, and a patient review or a patient testimonial is very important for your website and for your clinic to grow. Next step is the customer service. That is very important. It should be in a polite way, in a sweet gesture. When a patient comes, no matter whether he or she is in some pain, in some emergency situation, still don't need to be panic. You need to be calm and treat them very well, and that too in a very ethical manner. So that's all about the today's video regarding the dental marketing tips and tricks. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos regarding this topic, and if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. And if you still have some personal guidance or the help from my side, me and my team is always available for you regarding the marketing of your clinic. So don't forget to contact me regarding that too. Thank you for watching.